Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the most talked about travel rewards card in 2025, the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. They aren't just ordinary cards, they're two powerhouse options for anyone serious about earning miles or points, saving on travel, and unlocking some pretty sweet perks. So if you're trying to decide which one is the right for you, let's dive right in. The Capital One Venture is designed for simplicity and high rewards. It's been a go-to travel card for years, and in 2025, it's more flexible and rewarding than ever. It gives you a flat rate of 2 miles per dollar on everything you buy. No categories, no caps, no nonsense. It's perfect for busy folks who want to earn miles quickly without managing a complicated rewards program. And those miles, super versatile. You can redeem them for travel, transfer to airline and hotel partners, or even use them to erase travel purchases with Capital One's Purchase Eraser tool. On the other hand, Chase Sapphire Preferred is a bit more strategic. It gives you elevated rewards in specific categories like dining, travel, and streaming. Plus, when you redeem points through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you get 25% more value, which can really stretch your point further. It's ideal for people who want to maximize value through Chase's ecosystem and who don't mind thinking a bit more tactically about how they earn and redeem. So let us talk about the features of both cards. We start with Capital One Venture. The reward rate is 2 times miles on every purchase, and you earn 75,000 bonus miles on sign up after spending $4,000 within the first 3 months. Now, as regards the reward rate of 2 times miles, it's unlimited. You get unlimited 2 times miles per dollar on every purchase every day. You also get unlimited 5 times miles on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Travel. How about the Chase Sapphire Preferred card? There's been a new offer on the website to claim that you earn 75,000 bonus points after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. You also earn 5 times on Chase Travel, and you earn 3 times on dining. Of course, the 5 times points that you earn on travel, you need to purchase through Chase Travel. And the points that you earn on dining includes eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out. You also earn 2 times on other travel purchases. Now, what is the pricing of both cards like? For the Capital One card, it has an annual fee of $95. There's a purchase rate of 19.99 to 29.24% variable APR, and there are no foreign transaction fees and no blackout dates on travel. How about the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card? It has an annual fee of $95. There's also a variable APR of 19.99 to 28.24%. So both cards have identical annual fees and no foreign transaction fees. It's a win for travelers. APRs are slightly different, but if you're paying off in full, it won't be a major factor. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using these cards. We start with the pros. First, for the Capital One Venture, you get flat 2 times miles on every purchase, which is simple and consistent. The redemption system is very easy to understand, and there are useful travel perks. It is great for people who don't want to juggle bonus categories. And the pros of the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card: you have access to Chase's top-tier travel partners, and there's higher value per point when you redeem it through Chase. There are bonus categories, which makes it great for foodies and travelers, and there are no transaction fees. How about the cons? For Capital One Venture, the lounge access is limited, and there's less point value when redeeming for cash or non-travel purchases. And the cons of the Chase Sapphire Preferred: you will need to use the Chase portal to get the 25% boost, and the APR might be slightly high if you carry a balance. So now here's the big question: which one should you get in 2025? Well, the answer depends on your travel style, your spending habits, and how involved you want to be. If you're someone who values simplicity, you want flat rewards across the board, and you prefer to erase travel purchases or transfer miles without thinking too much, the Capital One Venture is your card. But if you are a savvy spender, you don't mind putting in a little more thought, especially if you dine out often or you use streaming services, then the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers unbeatable redemption value. And that's it on the comparison of the two cards, the Capital One Venture and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wells Fargo Autograph Journey, American Express Gold Card, and the Citi Premier Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.